looking to win this week for me. For my mama and for my sisters. Love y'all.
The fans, you know, we get involved in all the hoopla and stuff, but these guys are focused, man. They're locked in. Jack Del Rio's got these guys dialed in. And, I mean, what can you say, man? They're having a tremendous year. Obviously, in the NFL, you got to keep winning week after week. And, you know, today's another opportunity against Buffalo to show what they're made of.
Every game counts right now. We got to win out in December by any means, man. By any means. We ready. We here. We ready to finish the season off strong, head into the playoffs strong. We got a Super Bowl on mind.
And we were playing with our brakes on. Today we're going to play with our brakes off, baby. We're going to play with our brakes off today. We're going to play fast football, man. Fast football. And we're going to knock the brakes off of them, baby. We're going to have a party, and Buffalo ain't invited. Let's go, man. Let's go.
All this talk about who we are, what we do, now we answer, baby. Let's lock the door, do what we do. Locked and loaded. By any means, let's go. Win on three. Win on me. 1, 2, 3. Win.
Tyrod Taylor now going to get a hit from behind and sacked by Bruce Irvin.
Request for 10. Request for 10, baby.
Number 210, Carpenter.
Kaiser will sack him. Sunshine with his first sack in the NFL.
Hey, thanks, buddy.
They give it to Gillislee. It'll power to the goal line. Touchdown, Buffalo.
We'll come back. We'll make our plays. We're going to keep playing. You know, it's a good football team. We knew that coming in.
Now going to throw back in the end zone. Caught by Michael Crabtree. Touchdown, Raiders!
17 seconds left in the third quarter.
Richard to his right, gun run, big hole, 30, 25, 20, breaks a tackle, 15, put him on the 12-yard line. Jalen Richard, the pocket rocket length. Murray gonna hurdle into the end zone. Touchdown, Raiders!
Hey, great tackle, not be denied. That's a good job to get that thing going. A lot of football left now. Good job, man. Don't be scared to play, baby.
Way to come back and start it. Hey, now we find it where we are right there.
This car going to throw a lob right sideline. Amari Cooper's got it. 37-yarder over the top to Amari Cooper.
Let's go. I'm serious. Great job, man. Hey, we got our boys. We got.
He'll drop and throw from the end zone. Holds it. Ball got hit. It's up in the air. It's intercepted by Nate Allen.
Great job. Great job. Come on. Let's go. Let's go.
They give it to Murray coming right. He walks into the end zone. Another rushing touchdown for Latavius Murray. They fake it. They roll Derrick. He throws for Roberts. Give the Raiders 2 more. Easy.
Hey, we don't blink, man. We don't blink, man. We don't blink, man.
Matt got it from behind. He slips out. The ball's free. Who's got it? Khalil's got it again. Another strip sack to take the game for the Raiders. The Raiders are 10-2.
Yeah, baby. 10-2.
Keep on winning, baby. 10 out of 12 games, we 10-2 and we here. We keep on going, baby. We here.
By any means, baby, you know that. Come on.
Easy.
Do you think anybody cares whether we're going to be a little bit sore or a little bit tired on Thursday? We're going to be excited to go play. That's all that matters. It doesn't matter. Let's go play. That's what we're going to do. Hell of a job, man. I'm really proud of you. Bring it in. Bring it in. Bring it in. Really proud of you, man. Here we go. Here we go. Keep getting better, man. Raiders on 3. 1, 2, 3. Raiders.